Fix Audacity error code 9999 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Run the recording audio troubleshooter. When using Audacity, you may encounter error 9999 due to other messaging and video conference apps like Skype, Teams, Google Meet, and Zoom using the microphone concurrently. These apps can operate in the background even while Audacity is open on the taskbar. Method 3. Disable third-party antivirus. If you have third-party antivirus software installed on your Windows 11 10th computer, it may potentially conflict with Audacity. Method 4. Enable microphone access. Select Microphone to access the microphone app permission settings. Toggle on the microphone access option if it's currently disabled. Method 5. Update the microphone driver. Method 6. Reinstall Audacity.